What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to make text bigger on Snapchat. While Snapchat primarily restricts text size adjustments to Snapchat Plus members, iPhone users can still increase the text size without a subscription by adding a text size control center widget for the Snapchat app. To get started, swipe down from the top right on your iPhone to open the control center. If you don't see a text size option there, you'll need to add it first. To do this, tap and hold on any empty space to activate the Control Center editor. Next, tap on Add a control and then use the search bar to find text size. Select it and add it to your control center. Once it's positioned on your control center page, you're ready to proceed. Now, open Snapchat and go to any chat where you want to increase your text size. Once inside the chat, swipe down to open the control center and tap and hold on text size. The text size slider will be enlarged and two more options will appear: All apps and Snapchat only. Select Snapchat only, then adjust the slider to increase the text size to your preferred level. Once you exit, any text you type in Snapchat chats will now appear larger, making it easier to read. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.